What's up, traders? Hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're all having an awesome day. So, nice one. What do we have here? A nice shoot up out of a net gas and hitting our take profit 1 and take profit 2. I've sent to the members in a trade alert on Friday, and I've mentioned in my last week's video. And as you can see, the power of entering with the condition, this nice swing low in Golfer has pushed the market up now. So let's see what I've said in my last video so that you can understand the entries and the way we enter the trade. So at this point, net gas is pushing up, and I'm expecting a net gas to push up even further, and I'm hoping that it hit our take profit 2 as well. Now at this point, as you can see, the market is above all the EMAs and broken above this rejection level in pink. At this point, I'm expecting a market to even push up, pull back, and keep on pushing up until we hit this next level of resistance, which is nice one. So as you can see, the price has pushed up. Now what to expect next? Let's do it on currency.com first. I'm going to come back on Oanda in a very short moment. Right here, as you can see, the price is now about to hit the resistance, and the resistance is right above there. The price has not hit the resistance yet, so I will still wait for the price to hit the resistance first. Once we have a hit of resistance, I want to see a nice sell condition. This is a zone from where I was looking for my sell condition. Again, I won't be entering straight away. I want to see a signal something we had on a buy trade we just had now. I want to see a nice signal, something like this. If you have a pin bar or engulfer or a double top, that will be my sell signal to enter the trades, and I'll keep you guys posted as well. So at this point, we might see a pullback of few candles as we are above all the EMAs, and the way you can calculate the pullback is 50% retracement, something like this. And you can mark your buffer zone the way I do as usual. Right here, this is your buffer zone. 6.703 goes up to 6.840, and let's say if the price pulls back, hit this buffer zone, if you want to enter another buy trade with an aggressive entry, then that will be your aggressive entry to take your buy trade. You can enter long from here, but that will be the only condition if the price won't hit this zone. If the price just pulls back down here, only then I'll expect another push up to this zone. If the price hit this zone and give us a reason to enter sell trade, then we will be entering the sell trade first before the price push back to this buffer zone. So again, if the price push back down without hitting this resistance above, then this will be another buy trade to take long, and then we will look for sell opportunity after we hit this zone here in red. So look for both conditions. This is the buffer zone. Look for that as well. If you have a condition like engulfer after hitting of this zone, then we will enter sell trade. Right here on Oanda. So the way you can mark your buffer zone, something like this, 6.363 goes up to 6.446. If the price just pulls back to this zone, this will be your aggressive entry if you want to enter in an aggressive way. Otherwise, if you want to enter in a less aggressive way, you need to see a nice bullish engulfing candle within this zone to take another long trade. But if the price just shoots up, hit this zone here in red, look for my sell condition on 4-hour and 1-hour time frame. Look for engulfers, red engulfers, bearish engulfers, or look for the double top pattern, or look for a nice pin bar. Once you have any one of the conditions, you can take your sell trades. Again, I will only enter buy if we have a pullback in this buffer zone without the price hitting this red zone above. So that is it for net gas. Keep an eye on conditions to take your trades. Let's check gold. Right here, gold is now pushing down to the next major level of support. Members should already have these zones on your chart, as I have sent the gold zones this week as well. So this is the zone which is 1716 goes up to 1728, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades with a good reason to enter as engulfers or the double bottom pattern. So this is my buying area. I'm still expecting the price to hit this zone here in green. So keep an eye here to take your buy trades only in this zone. If you have no entry condition, price breaks dramatically below this zone, then the price will likely to head to the next level of support. Let's check silver. So right here with silver, what do we have? The price has broken below this zone. Now this is the possible retest of this zone or the 50 EMA, and now I won't be buying silver because we did not get any sort of buying reason from this support. That has been broken now. At this point, the next zone for the silver to buy is 19.78 goes up to 20. This is a zone from where I want to look for my buy trades. Let's check crude oil. Okay, awesome. Members should already have these zones on the charts, as I've also sent these zones to the member, and this zone is now 75.11 goes up to 76.90. I've also mentioned this zone in my last YouTube videos on my weekend video. If you want to go through that, you can check out my last video. So at this point, as you can see, the price is now pushing up, hit this zone without getting any sort of reason to enter on 1 hour time frame as well. Looking at 1 hour time frame, we did have this nice pin bar. It is not a 382 candle, but for crude oil, I don't actually use pin bars to enter my trade. I normally look for 382 candles or a bullish engulfer. So we did not have any reason on 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. We might get a reason to enter on lower time frame, which I don't normally go through, but at this point the price is now pushing up and expecting crude oil to hit at least 20 EMA, and the zone above, which is 82.56, goes up to 84.59. This is my trend continuation zone, that if the price hit this zone, I will look for another sell trade accordingly with a good reason to enter sell trade. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.